I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I'd like to announce and tell you about an upcoming Blythe doll mermaid collaboration. And there are already 16 channels involved in this collaboration, and you are invited to participate. I have always loved to encourage people to sew, to craft, and especially with the dolls. So a while back, I guess it was what, February, January, I sent out some dolls to a few people to do a fairy collab, to encourage them to do a face up and change eye chips, etc., do their hair, although I'm really bad at hair, and quite honestly, I like the hair hanging down, can you tell? We had so much fun. I think there were 18 channels. We had so much fun. We email back and forth, we share ideas, we hide some ideas so no one else has it. We share little pictures and emails, and it's just so much fun. I did not want it to end, so I said, hey, what if we did mermaids? 16 people have already stepped forward and said yes, they would like to participate, and I'd like for you to join us too. What we're doing is we're taking a Blythe doll. I am not sending anything out this time. This is, buy your own doll, get your own crafts, etc. We're taking Blythe dolls and we are making them mermaids, however you interpret that yourself. I'm also doing a hidden giveaway right now for this miniature Blythe doll that has pull strings in the back that open and close her little custom eyes. I did this face up. Last year, Darren and I started giving one of these out once a month, and these are for our active subscribers. Our active subscribers are subscribers that are subscribed to our channel and watch our videos, leave a like, and leave a comment. The comments are the most important because then I know you've been there. I made this one a little mermaid top, and she also has some other fun things in the box that I'm not going to show you because I want the person that receives it to be able to do their box opening with surprises. However, I will tell you that we made the stand in sand color. So you're going to need two words. Hang in there and we'll tell you what they are. One is seashell. So if you would like to participate in the mermaid collaboration, you can use any size Blythe, or you can do all 3 size Blythes, or however you want to do it. To make a mermaid, we are uploading our videos, this is very important, on June 3rd at 10 a.m. Central. In other words, if you're not in the Central time zone, check on Google to see what time that would be in your own time zone. The reason that's so important is when the videos go up, if they all go up at once, what people do, the viewers, is they go to the first one and then they go through, and we'll have a list of people that are participating in our description with a link, and they just click from one to the other till they've watched all the videos, left likes, left comments. It's really fun, and it ups your viewership. Thank you for watching. Thank you is another one of the 2 words that you'll need for the hidden giveaway. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.